So this is the adult skull. There's 8 cranial bones. This is the ethmoid bone. This is the sphenoid bone. This is the frontal bone. This is the green portion is the parietal bone. This is the occipital bone. And then on both sides, oops, there's this orange piece. This is the temporal bone, and it's paired.
So this is the temporal bone. There's 2 of them, one on each side of the skull. This is going to be the external acoustic meatus. This is the styloid process. This is the mastoid process. And this is the zygomatic process. This is the other side of the temporal bone. This is going to be the stylomastoid foramen. That's right here. This is the mandibular fossa. And the jugular foramen is going to be right here.
3. So this is the occipital bone. It's right here, underneath the skull. This is the foramen magnum. It's a big hole. These are the occipital condyles. And then this is the hypoglossal canal, like that little hole right there is the hypoglossal canal.
Okay, this is the sphenoid bone, and right here, this is called the greater wing. This one is the lesser wing. This right here is called the sella turcica. In here is the optic canal. This one is called the foramen rotundum. And then right here, this oval one is called the foramen ovale. And then this little hole right here is called the foramen spinosum. If we turn it around, we'll see the superior optical fissure. And then below that, we'll see the pterygoid processes.
This is the frontal bone, and shown here is a supraorbital foramen. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the ethmoid bone. And right here, you can see the crista galli. And then next to it, these little bumps are called cribiform plates with olfactory foramina. And then in here, you can see the perpendicular plate. And then up here at the very top, that's called the superior nasal concave. And then on to the side is called the middle nasal concave.
So these are the thoracic bones. This is going to be the vertebrae right here of the spine. This is the cervical spine, C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. C1 is going to be atlas, and C2 is axis. The thoracic vertebrae are going to be T1 through T12. So we have cervical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This starts the thoracic vertebrae of T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Lumbar vertebrae are L1 through L5, and that's L1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the sacrum is going to be this part right here. And then this little tail-looking thing right here is going to be the coccyx.
Shown below is the sacrum. You're going to have your sacral canal, your sacral foramina, your superior articular process and facet. Your ridges are your median sacral crest and your sacral hiatus. Shown below is a piece of the vertebral structures. This is the body. What's surrounding the whole is a vertebral foramen. You're going to have 2 horns. That's the transverse process and foramen. This elephant trunk is the spinous process. If you look inside of it, you're going to have these ears. That's the inferior articular process. If you flip it back over, this crest is your lamina. Surrounded behind these ears is a pedicle, and then if you stack them, this smooth ridge is an intervertebral foramen.